Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So as I have posted previously, Windows 11 24H2, which is this year's annual feature update, will get smaller updates, which will be known as the new checkpoint cumulative updates. And I don't want to get too much into what they're all about, but just a quick recap, because I will leave that video linked down below and in the end screen if you want some more info. Basically, they will allow you to get features and security enhancements via the latest cumulative update through smaller incremental updates containing only the changes since the previous checkpoint cumulative update, which at the end of the day could save time, bandwidth, and actually your storage space as well. Now go check that video out if you'd like some more info. But as I posted earlier this week, Microsoft rolled out the latest Windows 11 24H2 Patch Tuesday update, KB5043080. And that rolled out for Copilot Plus PCs to the general public and also to insiders in the release preview channel who are running so-called normal AMD and Intel-based systems, who are testing the feature in the release preview channel before it rolls out shortly to the general public. And that video will also be linked down below and in the end screen. Now, with all that out of the way, just to set the kind of foundation for this video, it seems that these so-called new checkpoint cumulative updates are not off to a good start, which isn't a good start for Windows 11 24H2 before it's even rolled out to the general public. Because according to user reports over on Microsoft's Feedback Hub, the update for some users is causing an error when trying to install the update. It's kind of like rolling back and then generating an error called operation is not supported. That's the error. And Microsoft has not acknowledged an issue with the update, that it's failing, but has confirmed, if we head over to this support site, they have confirmed that some might run into problems installing future updates if they have installed the September 2024 Patch Tuesday update, as mentioned, which rolled out earlier this week. So strange stuff going on here. Now, what you need to do if you are experiencing this issue, if you're experiencing the operation is not supported error, what you need to do is you'll need to manually download and reinstall KB5043080. And that's using the Microsoft Update Catalog. And that, according to user reports and also that support site by Microsoft, is the workaround to resolve this issue. And to do this, obviously, you'd have to head over to the Microsoft Update Catalog. And I'll leave this down below with the update, so it'll be easy access and reference for you. And then you need to choose the download file pertaining to your system. So here at the top, we've got ARM64, which will be your Copilot Plus PCs. And here at the bottom, we've got 64-based, which will be your normal AMD Intel-based systems. And if you don't know how to install an update, if you don't know how to download and install an update manually from the update catalog, I've posted a whole video on how to do that, and I'll leave that link down below and in the end screen as well, in case you just don't know how to get the job done with the update catalog. And according to Microsoft, that should resolve the issue. And at this stage, it's not known exactly what Microsoft is planning to do regarding this issue in Windows 11 24H2. And if I do get any more info, obviously, I'll keep you guys posted. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.